Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain this poem. On yesterday, I am just reciting this poem in front of you, so I want to explain this poem today. So, before moving explanation, I just want to say about the poet. So, in this poem, in my old town, this poem is written by Erin Hansen, and she is 19 years old and she is from Queensland, Australia. She runs the blog thepoeticunderground.com and she wants to tell about that there are many people who known throughout the world for their deeds, but there are so many ordinary people all around us who do little deeds of kindness or caring, and they are not familiar to us. It means they doesn't known throughout the world. They are not famous, they are not familiar. So in this poem there was a girl who performed a very simple action, but it had a great and lasting impact on her surrounding. So, this poem is read about a little girl. Let's start the poem. So, in my old town, there was a girl. She dropped seed everywhere she went, while all the boys carved out their names in any patch of wet cement. So, in this first paragraph, poet wants to say that the poet hometown there was a girl. She dropped seeds everywhere when she went, and the boys, whose age almost the same as the girls, who carve out their names and they are engaging carving their names in any patch of wet cement. They had laugh at her and tell her she would never make a mark if all she left behind her were some falling leaves and bark. So in this paragraph, poet wants to say that boys are engaging carving their name and they laughed at her and tell her she would never make a mark. And they said if she came once again in that place, what she found? There was only falling leaves and bark. So here barks means outer covering of the tree trunk. And what is the meaning of make a mark? So student, make a mark means, this is a phrase and it means be noticed because you did something impressive. Here the boys said to the girl that you do something impressive, that the people will be notice you. Now, so I wonder if they have been back since we grew and left that place, or if they still all carry markers in their pocket just in case. So in this paragraph, poet wants to say that poets wonder if the boys back again in their same place when they grew, then what they carry? Then poet thought they will carry the markers like childhood. When they are childhood, they just just kept the markers in their pocket, so they still carry the markers in their pocket. Poet thought, if I told them what I have seen, that the street where we once played, now drowned beneath a sea of green. So here the poets want to say, poets just look their faces and laugh. And when the boys asked to him what they have seen, then poet said that the street where they once played, now there was a beneath a sea of green. It means sea of greens. It means there are all over the green grass grow like a sea. And their names scratched on the sidewalk weren't as eternal as they had planned, for in the place where they once wrought them, an endless forest proudly stand. So in this paragraph, poet wants to say that the boys who wrote their name scratched on the sidewalk. Here sidewalk means a pavement. It means the boys wrote their name in the sidewalk who wants to plant their name that may be eternal. Here eternal means something that lasts forever. So boys wrote their name that it may be last forever. When they came back, they found their name written on the wet cement. But the poet want to say that there they once wrote their name, now their endless forest proudly stand. So this forest was just grown by accidentally by the girl who just threw the seed everywhere when she went. Would they tell that girl they are sorry if they ever had the choice? For not knowing those worth hearing don't always have the louder voice. So in this paragraph, point want to say, if the girls met once again that boy, then the boy would tell that sorry for what they are doing, what they are misbehaving or doing with a girl. But I don't think that they never said the sorry. So what that happen? Don't always have the that in future all the things we do will still have an effect, and that sometimes those who change the world are those you least expect. So in the last paragraph, this is a very interesting and the very remarkable paragraph in this poem. That in the last paragraph, poet want to say that if you do still any deeds, that it may be it may be a just doing for the world and humanity. Just if you are remembered throughout the world and just all the peoples know their name, then you just do whatever you want to do this for the humanity and the world. And then those who change the world always remember for everyone, and even all the world know their name. That is the summary of this poem, and I hope you all will understand the poem. So thank you and have a nice day.